What is up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. Before we begin this video, don't mind me. The light coming in through the window is a little bit harsh right now, so if I look a little bit awkward on camera, it's because I'm trying to stay out of this light. But today I have for you something special. Today we have a convenience good. That's right, I picked up a really nice pair of sunglasses at Sunglass Hut the other night after work. I picked up the Ray-Ban SCUDERIA Ferrari Brazil limited edition sunglasses. They're black with silver lenses. They're really nice. They were 283 bucks, but I got them 30% off because they are polarized, which is really nice. And today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions with them. So let's go ahead and get right into the sunglasses. So as you can see, what's really cool about Sunglass Hut is they give you this really nice bag, but it's not just the bag, it's the list of cities that they have on the side of the bag that Sunglass Hut is in. So Cape Town, South Africa, Dubai, Hong Kong, Miami, Shanghai, Los Angeles, New York. So if you really want these pair of sunglasses, if you live in any of these cities, oh, and of course they have Sunglass Hut everywhere in between, go to Sunglass Hut and pick up a pair of these sunglasses. So you get a semi-premium experience when you go into Sunglass Hut and purchase a pair of sunglasses. You get this bag, and of course, in the bag, they give you a printed out receipt of your sunglasses. So, as you can see here, I picked up the Ray-Ban 419 5M 52 black matte PTR MP, whatever that means. But as you can see by the receipt, I got them 30% off, which is really nice. My cashier was Cesaria, which is really nice. So if I want, I can go back and request her. But the most important thing about this unboxing is the sunglasses. So we've got the SCUDERIA Ferrari sunglasses here. They come in this special box. As you can see, they have the Ferrari, the SCUDERIA Ferrari Prancing Horse logo right on the front. It's flat up against the surface. Ray-Ban is embossed a little bit, and other than that, there's nothing on the box, but you get this really cool pitch black box with the yellow SCUDERIA Ferrari racing team logo on the front, and you get this beautiful, absolutely stunning leather pouch for your sunglasses. But more on that in a second. As you can see, yeah, more on that in a second. We'll get to that in a second. You get this really cool microfiber cloth, which, as you can see here, has the SCUDERIA Ferrari logo on it. So that is a really nice touch. These are limited edition sunglasses, folks. They are really the only polarized SCUDERIA Ferrari sunglasses out of the entire SCUDERIA Ferrari collection. The others are not polarized. Of course, you can get these in different colors. I got black with silver lenses. Of course, you can get them in different colors. I believe 2 other colors, but the SCUDERIA Ferrari Brazil edition, which is what I have here, are the only polarized version. So what else do you get in the box? You get something from Luxottica, I'm not sure. And of course you get this certificate of authenticity by Ray-Ban, which is really nice, which probably talks about some of the warranty information as well. So as you can see here, if we open up this little booklet, we get iconic colors. So red is the core identity color that Ray-Ban for SCUDERIA Ferrari mutually share. If you see a pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses with the red tips and the red temple tips, they are a pair of the Ferrari SCUDERIA line. And no other Ray-Ban sunglasses will replicate that. So they're super unique and they are very distinct. So let's talk about how beautiful this case is. You get this beautiful red stitching along the outside here, and you get the SCUDERIA Ferrari team logo embossed on the case itself, and then you get the Ray-Ban logo embraced or embossed on the case. Get this really cool red button, which is really nice. This is a really premium looking case. Let's go ahead and take a look at the sunglasses now. So it's this felt interior here, which is really nice. And as you can see, actually, the red stitching is actually on the inside of the case as well. So you know these are real Ray-Bans. They are made in Italy. They are polarized. Beautiful construction, very lightweight, very nice pair of sunglasses. You've got the SCUDERIA FERRARI logo on the side up here as well. You've got the SCUDERIA FERRARI logo on the lenses there. So really lightweight. They are a really very stylish, very cool pair of sunglasses. They're polarized, but they have this extra unique touch to them, and that is the fact that they are branded with SCUDERIA FERRARI. So these are a really cool limited edition pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses that I picked up at Sunglass Hut, which makes them a convenience good. My name is John. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. And just like that, this video is over, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the first impressions of it. These are a really nice pair of sunglasses. Absolutely stunning. I love the case that they come in. They're very comfortable. The lady at the store at the Sunglass Hut was extremely helpful. She was very informative about the SCUDERIA FERRARI sunglasses and the line of sunglasses that Ray-Ban has around that brand. She was very knowledgeable. She was very helpful. She was extremely nice. And she was very patient. I was trying on multiple sunglasses throughout the store, and she was very patient with me and making a decision. So my name is John. The SCUDERIA FERRARI Brazil sunglasses are a convenience good. You can pick them up at Sunglass Hut, basically anywhere around the world. My name is John, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.